Buying cheaper batteries and replacing them more often is economical? Bullshit. The truth: frequent replacements increase logistics, downtime, and total fleet cost. A longer lasting battery reduces replacement cycles and associated costs, making every euro spent work harder. A logistics company switching from a short lifespan battery with 1,400 cycles to an one-lasting 1,950 cycles reduced their repair and replacement handling costs noticeably. The change kept by more money in the pot simply by using longer-lasting batteries, thanks to fewer procurement steps, less downtime, and lower disposal fees, without changing anything else in operations. Frequent replacements drain more than your budget. Do the real math. Decide smart with PPC.